Good day everyone, my name is Reinneil Ram C. Today, I will be explaining my answers from different topics we've discussed in Engineering Calculus 1. First is trigonometric functions. We're going to differentiate y equals 2 secant of x minus cosecant of x. The derivative of this we're going to use is y prime equals, copy down the 2, so that's 2, and the derivative of secant of x is secant of x tangent of x minus, and copy down the derivative of cosecant, and that's going to be negative cosecant of x times cotangent of x. To simplify, this is going to be y prime equals 2 secant of x tangent of x, and two negatives make a positive, so that's gonna be plus cosecant of x times cotangent of x, and this is the derivative. Problem, we have to find the derivative of natural log of 3 over x. So y prime equals to the natural log of derivative of natural logs can be 1 over 3 over x times the derivative of 3 raised to the negative 1. So next is 1 over 3 over x is the same thing as x over 3. Then derivative of x raised to the negative 1 is negative x then 2. So since we're multiplying this, so we get x over 3 times negative 3 over x squared. So cancel, so 3 cancel, becomes negative 1, and x is not eliminated, so x squared becomes 1. So the final answer is y prime equals negative 1 over x. So this is the final answer. In this problem, let's take the derivative of the function of natural log of 1 over x. We're going to 1 over x to the negative 1 power. And then can take the power to the front, so this can be ln of an x. So now let's differentiate it. 1 over x, and now this is the final answer. Problem, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to s. We have y equals inverse second of 5s. So our second formula for derivatives of inverse function, so inverse second of x equals 1 divided by x times the square root of x squared minus 1. And in this problem, this is going to be our x. Y prime equals 1 divided by the absolute value of 5s, and then we're going to take the square root of x. So that's 5s squared minus 1. And the derivative of 5s, which is just 5. Now, simplifying this further, we get y prime equals 5 divided by the absolute value of 5s times the square root of 25 s squared minus 1. Now cancel the 5's. So the final answer would be 1 divided by the absolute value of s times square root of 25 s squared minus 1. And this will be the final answer. In this problem, we're going to differentiate the function of y equals x squared times e raised to the negative 1 divided by x power. And we're going to use the product rule, and we're going to use our differentiation function for e to the x. Now, y prime equals, and copy down the x squared. Now we're going to take the derivative of our second term and just copy down e to the negative 1 over x. Then take the derivative with respect to x of negative 1 and divided by x. And derivative with respect to x to the negative x to negative 1. Now take that derivative. We're going to get 1 divided by x squared plus, and just copy down e to the negative 1 divided by x times the derivative of x squared which is 2x. And that is our product rule. Now cancel the x squared, and this equals to a to the negative 1 divided by x plus 2x e to the negative 1 divided by x. Now we're going to factor this. So y prime equals e to the negative 1 divided by x power 1 plus 2x, and that is a derivative of y. In this problem, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x, where y equals x to the power of pi. Now write the derivative of y with respect to x. Equals x to the power of pi. Now the derivative is going to be move this pi in front, so that's going to be equals pi x to the pi minus 1. So this is the final answer.
Peace.